time to get the pool covers on. If you live in the UK, worked out it's pretty cold right now, about 5 degrees during the day at best, down to -5, -7 sometimes in the coming evenings in the southwest. So I'm going to get the koi pond covers on. I've got a titanium coil heater. It's working quite hard right now and it's starting to cost a lot of money in electricity, although I do have a 7 kilowatt solar setup plus batteries, so that covers most of it. But it's working quite hard. Look at the pond, really strange shape, pretty intricate. So I've crafted some 10 and 15 mil polycarbonate covers out of ply and mainly polycarbonate that keep it really nice and warm and toasty for the pond, for the fish. So you've got a sunset there, sunset, enjoy.
Everything that happens is motivation.
See the profile there if you want to. Pretty straightforward. That's a dark 22 mil, 18 mil polycarbonate sheet, just shrouded in a bit of plywood to give it a nice frame. Really insulates the pond well.
The most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation.
So that's it guys, really quite simple. I mean that's probably the second attempt at that build. I would say the first one was pretty shoddy, but once I got to grips with it and the shape, really pleased. It takes about 1.5 minutes to set it up, so quite decent. It keeps the heater, offloads the heater brilliantly, so it might operate 3 or 4 times a day for about 5 or 10 minutes. And it's a 3 kilowatt heater, so it's still not insignificant, but it's a lot less than it operating all day long. And like I say, I've got a 7 kilowatt solar setup plus batteries. So with a bit of sun like there was today, you know, I didn't use any energy at all from the grid. So brilliant. So, hey, 15 mil polycarbonate sheeting and a bit of batten and plywood. Couldn't be any easier. For now, just gonna enjoy the sunset.
All I'm saying